Mini enthusiasts, how you doing? So here we are, it's part 14 of the classic Mini winter workshop, and this week a little bit of a change up, something a bit different, bit of work on Vini, so I hope you like it. So in this week's episode we have a very rare occurrence, especially when working on a Mini, and that's doing a job that turns out easier than you thought it was going to be in the first place. So I've been toying with the idea of fitting a carbon fibre roof on Vini for a long time now. Finally got round to buying one over the winter, and I helped my friend fit a carbon fibre roof to his Mini a few weeks or a month or so ago now, and that was really difficult actually. The carbon fibre skin is pretty much exactly the same shape as the roof skin on the car. So on his car, the roof skin, the carbon fibre skin, just didn't really fit over the metal roof. So wasn't too much of a problem. He's got a race car, it's already got a full cage in it, and he wanted to get rid of the sunroof. So we cut the roof out of that, and then you had to beat down all of the corners to get the carbon fibre roof to fit in nicely. So with Vini being a road car, and it gets used quite regularly, it does do the odd track day, but primarily it spends most of its time driving around on the roads. I was really not too pleased about chopping the roof out of it, but I decided now I've got the roof, I might as well do it. It's a good opportunity to fit a cage in it as well. So I went down today, all geared up, all ready to chop the roof out, and I don't know, it just proves a point on Minis. No two are ever the same. So the carbon fibre roof skin, I trial fitted it on Vini, and it fitted pretty much like a glove. Needed tying down a little bit to get it to settle in, but it just fitted really well. So like I say, went down with it there with the intention of chopping the roof out, making a right mess of the car, and it was a really simple job in the end, so really pleased with that. So we'll catch up with that on the time lapse. It's not completely over for Piao, so this evening and tomorrow I'm just going to start work cleaning up the front arches on the car now. I should get my gear knob back this week as well, so that'd be nice to see when it comes back. But we'll probably flip between both cars now, Vini and Piao, as we get them both geared up for the show season. And just lastly, thanks to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I try to do regular updates, but really appreciate your support. So I hope you enjoy this week's video. Thanks guys.